Does your business run on WhatsApp, Instagram, and social media? Introducing Qontak.com's Omnichannel CRM technology, trusted by thousands of companies in Indonesia. Qontak unifies the world's most popular communication channels with customizable CRM software to grow sales, customer service, and marketing. Whether you want to use unlimited agents and chatbots on WhatsApp, Instagram, and more, or simply manage orders, complaints, and other databases with powerful analytics, we've got you covered with an end-to-end solution. Have an announcement to blast to customers? Broadcast scheduled messages to all of your customers right to their inbox. Personalize and send each message instantly to build stronger relationships with your customers, even while you're asleep. It's like having your very own personal assistant times 1,000. Cool, right? The application helps you map and save your customer's journey while personalizing their sales and customer service experiences with advanced routing systems. Qontak centralizes all your data automatically without a manual entry in an easily accessible workspace. So, whether you're at home, stuck in traffic, or at the office, Qontak.com will keep your team and customers more connected than ever. At Qontak, we help you manage customer experience so that you can just focus on winning your customers' hearts and growing your business. Get your free consultation and trial today